1,282 days. It's been a minute. Thank you, Husqvarna Racing. Well, that's the guy right there, Blake Baggett. If you don't know who Blake Baggett is, it's because he hasn't raced in a very long time. And I think partially because he was getting a little bit on the older side, and also there was the whole problem with the Rocky Mountain KTM, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody in the comments below tell me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the team he rode for, not paying him. And we all know how that kind of went. A little card in the top right corner if you want to follow that little series from a couple years ago. But this is big because does this mean, one, that either Christian Craig's out for a very long time, or maybe they're just looking to fill him in general, or this could be absolutely nothing. Let's be honest. This could just be he's kind of well known and they wanted to get some testing done and they figured whatever, we'll throw you on a bike, put it on the social media, get some buzz going around and everything. But I don't know, you guys tell me. Is this him replacing one of the two? Are they looking for a third rider? Are they, is he just going to be the test rider or something? Or is this just pure social media fun? I don't know. It's kind of big because Blake Baggett was always very, I don't know, competitive is the word you want to use, I guess. And with outdoors coming up and with Craig probably out, they might think, hey, we could use a guy, put him out there for, an MX season and see where it goes, see if he can help us develop or just see what anything at all. But it wouldn't be the worst choice in the world either when you think about it. He was competitive. I mean, he's number 4 for a reason. He won a title. That means something. But I don't know, you guys tell me. Comments below. Is this comeback tour? Is this PR fun? Or I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.